To perform the following operation of subtracting the two algebraic fractions, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to factor the denominators. So here, I know if I factor this, it would be 3x minus 1x minus 4. Now here, where I have a 4 minus x, I'm going to take out a negative 1, so that would change that to a positive sign, and then I'd have x minus 4. So my factors for my lowest common denominator will be 3x minus 1, x minus 4. So that's going to be my lowest common denominator. Now I'm going to use that lowest common denominator to rewrite everything over the lowest common denominator. So if I look at my first numerator here, this is x minus 1. So I know that the denominator is going to be the same, so I'm just going to rewrite it as x minus 1. Now over here, I'm going to change this to a plus because I had changed it over here by removing a factor of negative 1. So I have 3x plus 1, which is normally over x minus 4, so I know I'm going to have to multiply that by 3x minus 1, and then my 3x plus 1, which was there. Now, I have some breaking down here to do. So I have x minus 1, and this is going to give me plus, and if I look at this equation, I can see that this is a difference of squares, so that would be 9x squared minus 1 over 3x minus 1 . Now I'm ready to go ahead and look at my numerator here. So I have x minus 1 plus 9x squared minus 1 over 3x minus 1 x minus 4. And that would leave me with a 9x squared plus x minus 2 over 3x minus 1 x minus 4. And that would be my final answer.